Okay, Ice Cold Killer 08. You asked me how to cook chicken balls. Um, One thing I have to tell you is I never cooked chicken balls at home myself because simply I just don't like chicken balls because I think it's too greasy because you have to deep fry them. But I didn't know how to cook it because I worked in Chinese restaurant and takeaway before, and also I did a little bit research online, just trying to find the good recipe for butter. Um, Speaking of the chicken balls you buy from the Chinese restaurant or takeaways, they actually use the cooked chicken. They bought the cooked chicken because that chicken is specially treated, so it comes really in a very good shape. You can cut them in any size, any shape you want. But at home, I've tried it before. If you either put the chicken in the oven or wherever the cooked chicken at home is, very difficult to cut into the size you want, and it always goes to pieces. So today it's the first time, so I want to try a little bit different as what I think maybe it might work for the chicken balls. So I'll show you. Here's the chicken. 4 chicken breasts, about 500 to 600 gram, and what I did was I just cut them into a chunk, the pieces, the size you want yourself, what size you prefer, and I add 1 tablespoon of Chinese rice wine, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, and some fresh ground black pepper, and just a little bit salt, right? And then just mix them, marinate in with the chicken, and then what I'll do is I'll steam them, see what's coming out after this. Okay, right, okay, let's try the butter. I used 2 cups of plain flour and 2 cups of corn flour. Mix them with 1 tablespoon of the baking soda and 1 tablespoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of salt, and some fresh grounded black pepper, and other 2 to 3 cups of cold water, and use your hand, just beat it, whisk it until the butter is really smooth. You don't want it too sticky. The butter, ideally it should, just like when you use your hands in it, the butter should be flow down freely like that, not very sticky. Right, okay, let's try this one. Right, 40 minutes, the chicken looks well done, and one thing with the steamed chicken is got a lot of juice come out. So what we do here is we need to drain the juice out. Okay, not bad the chicken looks like, and we drop them into the butter. Right, few of them. Right, then we're gonna fry them, deep fry them in the oil, and don't heat the oil too hot, just medium hot, right? And when the oil's ready, we just drop the chicken, right? Use the chopstick. Drop them into the oil. Remember, turn the heat into a lowest one. Not the lowest one, just see the chicken balls can flow on the top of the oil. That heat should be perfect. Right, okay. Just drop a few in. I cut them really small. You can actually cut the chicken into a bigger size, whatever suits you. Right, just drop them in. See what's coming out. And just wait the chicken balls turn to golden brown. Okay, I've got a few cooked chicken balls here. Well, it doesn't look as good as the one you buy from the restaurant takeaways, but it's a homemade one, so never mind the size. Well, at least I've tried. This is my first time. Okay, you can actually dip them with any sauce you like. I've got some sweet chili sauce here. Right. Okay, just let me try one, see what it tastes like. Right, just let me taste one. Not bad. Not bad, I must say. This is the first time I cook chicken balls at home, and it tastes slightly different from the takeaways and restaurants. I think probably because the butter. In Chinese takeaways, they use the butter, just self-rising flour, add some salt and dash of black pepper, that's it. And I've used some baking powder and baking soda, so it tastes different. But